Hello, my beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of freedom, lovers of liberty all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. I really do appreciate all your support and your enablement and your encouragement in this channel. May God richly bless us all. All right, my wonderful family, without not talking too much, I have another wonderful one that I want to bring to your table right now. This one is so hot. It's from Ifeanyi, age of 4, and Nnamdi Kanu's younger brother. My wonderful family, you will not like what you are about to say. I know that some people will be telling me that where is proof, where is proof. Please, after watching this video, go to my description box. I will drop the write-up, or on my community tabs you are going to see the write-up there, what Ifeanyi age of 4 just express. Go to his Facebook page, you will also see it as well. What he expressed is going to piss you up. Honestly, you are going to have a second thought after watching this video. Now let's go into the news in details. Do you know that yesterday, the 6th of December 2021, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lawyer of the indigenous people of Biafra and the younger brother to Nnamdi Kanu, visited him in DSS custody. Do you know that Nnamdi Kanu complained to them that since on Sunday he has not eaten anything, and the DSS have withdrawn his blood for 21 times since on Sunday to that Monday, and he has not eaten. Now hear the news in details. The return visit to our client Nnamdi on today, that is on 6th December 2021, and is his usual practice. He extends his compliments to his millions of supporters. He remains perfumed, grateful for your support and solidarity thus far. Sadly, hear it o, he said, sadly, we observed with dismay the indeed very worrisome that, notwithstanding the far-reaching orders made by the court on the 2nd of December 2021, the detaining authority, being the DSS, have in their usual style flaunt and ignore the said court order. We were informed by our client Nnamdi Kanu that none of the pronouncements made by the court on the 2nd of December 2021 has been obeyed by the lawless DSS. They have unrepeatedly continued to treat an order of the court with great disobedience. Our client Nnamdi Kanu further informed us that he has not eaten anything since Sunday. Oh my God, this is so hot. In fact, it hurts my spirit. He said he has not eaten anything since on Sunday, apparently being punished because we dare to complain to the court about the harsh condition under which he is being held in custody. But very unfortunate, this should be the height of this reckless effort to the order of the courts. At the time her lordship made those far-reaching orders in open court, I did not make words in bringing to the attention of the court that the operative of the DSS will flaunt this order, pleasant to which the court specifically directed me to come back to her with this fact if her order is being disobeyed. Interestingly, we will be approaching the court immediately with this terrifying development, which is totally unacceptable, condemnable, and intolerable. The fact must be placed in his proper preparation. Our client Nnamdi Kanu has not been convicted for committing any crime. He is still pursuing innocent of every unfounded and fallible allegation against him, and as such the DSS has no power whatsoever to weigh him down from not enjoying of anything that is pertaining to his rights. The detaining authority DSS in an agent clearly established by installation of the law and should operate within the confines of the same law. We hereby demand without further ado, for the immediate compliance with all the order of the court clearly made on the 2nd of December 2021, and thereby stated further that any attempt to violate this order must be faced with strict sanctions by the court. Having commenced the process, we respectfully wish to ensure our client Nnamdi Kanu and the team supporter that we cannot leave anything to change towards ensuring that our client specifically protected and his rights are upheld. The DSS must and shall certainly cooperate within and confirm of the law. In fact, I don't need to be reading everything. This is not the time to read at all. The fact remains that the leader of Biafra, His Excellency Nnamdi Kanu, has not eaten any titties on Sunday. In fact, they withdrew his blood 21 times without not giving him food. Tell me, what is the game playing? What are they trying to do? What are they playing out? What is going on? Check it out and answer the question yourself, because there is something fishing. This thing is not cleared. We know very well that there is no way the DSS will obey court order. Never. They don't do it. It's not in the dictionary in Nigeria. Imagine this. Coming from court December 2nd is now the worst. Do you people even know that December 2nd, Nnamdi Kanu was not present in the court? He is nowhere close to that court. DSS did not bring Nnamdi Kanu to the court. And they are angry that the lawyer went to report this issue before the world and everybody now aware of something that is going on. For that, they changed the strategies. Come on, where are the Southeast leaders? Where are the traditional rulers? Everybody need to stand up to talk. Those people that came out to say, don't worry, when the Anambra election finish, things will work out, things will change. Now, things is getting worse. Let me say something clearly. Do you remember the Hausa people that came out to say, if Muhammadu Buhari dare it to release Nnamdi Kanu, that they themselves, what they are going to do in Nigeria will be unbearable for everybody to comprehend in Nigeria? Did you hear it? Are you not aware of it? That is just their game plan. That is what they are planning right now. They are nowhere near me to say they should release Nnamdi Kanu. The younger brother today cried out and said his brother is dying. Come on. Instead, we start fighting ourselves. Twice, the lawyer of the indigenous people of Biafra has passed a message directly and indirectly for every one of us to know that things are not going well in the DSS dungeon. To know that things are not going well with what these people are doing. To know that things are not going well with Nnamdi Kanu. But what is the action taken? Nothing. Every day we come and we speak one word. Every day we come and we speak two words. Every day things are changing. And you know that His Excellency is not getting younger. That is what you people are supposed to know. That as day goes by, things are changing. Human beings, they are changing. The way you were yesterday, that is not the way you will be today, neither next tomorrow. But this man is suffering. Honestly, he's suffering. Before this thing is coming, I know that there are elements of truth. And everything you hear they say is truth. Do you know that the Nigerian government is trying to regulate social media? My wonderful family, this is the time for everybody to stand to talk. Because when that social media regulation take place, believe me, you will not be hearing anything. You will not get any information from Nigeria. Nobody will tell you anything because the social media now will not be in total control. They will control what you say. They will control what you post. They will control everything. So there is no freedom in social media very soon. That is what is going on. That is what Lai Mohammed is about to do. Because they are angry right now that if anything get to social media, the thing will expose. Everybody will hear about it, and they are so damn angry. So the earlier the better for us. The Nigerian government and the DSS, they know that the Biafra people, they are not in one accord. They know that they are quarreling up and down. They know that they are fighting themselves. They know that they don't have authority. Come on. Let's call a spade a spade. They know that they don't have authority. They know that they don't have words of their own. They know that they are just rumors. I am telling you, they know that there is no action. And they know that they don't believe in what they are saying. That is why all this thing is taking place. Imagine this. This is so bad. And it's unacceptable. All right, my wonderful family, I said, let me bring it for you to know that Nnamdi Kanu, his life is in danger and he's suffering, honestly. And in case you are wondering, this voice that you are hearing, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing you this news live and direct. And if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, oh my word, you can't be hearing all this wonderful news. I can't be bringing it to your table when you have not subscribed. Come on now, subscribe, join this family so that whenever I drop a video like this, baka, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you so dearly. I really do appreciate. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.